Hello, my foodie friends. Welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Tales. Tell me, friends, do we require a special occasion to bake a cake? I'm sure not. Today, I am going to show you a tutti frutti cake which is quite simple. Actually, friends, baking a cake is real fun. Just we have to follow a few simple procedures and be precise in some of the quantities. So, let us begin to prepare the tutti frutti cake. You can see how wonderful the cake is baked. Nice, spongy, soft and moist. These are the ingredients for the tutti frutti cake. We will require 2 cups of flour, that is maida or the all-purpose flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of milk to adjust the consistency of the batter, 3/4 cup of oil. I have used here non-flavored sunflower oil and essence, pineapple or the mixed fruit essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, some salt to enhance the taste of the cake, tutti frutti. First we will grease the baking tin on all the sides properly. Then I'll take some flour and sprinkle it in the tin and dust it properly on all the sides and keep it aside for baking. Now first in a bowl I will take the curd and the powdered sugar. I will mix both the ingredients thoroughly. Now I will add the baking powder, the baking soda and the salt and give it a good mix. You can see that the batter has started turning frothy. At this point I will add the oil and give it a good mix. See to it that you mix all the ingredients properly. Now add the mixed fruit essence and stir well. Add the flour little by little so that it gets mixed properly. Use the spatula to mix all the flour properly. You can also use your hand. Now we will be taking some milk to adjust the consistency of the batter. Add the milk and stir it well and incorporate all the milk into the batter. Now take some tutti frutti, add some flour to it, mix it well. This is done so that the tutti frutti doesn't stick to the bottom of the baking tin. Mix it well and our batter is ready. We have not used all the milk. We have only used to adjust the consistency of the batter and our batter's consistency is proper. Now we will put the batter into a tin. Tap it and now add some tutti frutti on top of it. Now I will bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. And our cake is baked after 40 minutes. Here I have got 2 cakes. One I will be cutting and showing and the other I will be decorating with some whipped cream. The cake has turned out really well. You can see how nice and spongy it has turned out, and it is quite moist too. Now I will decorate the other cake with the whipped cream. I will not use much of the whipped cream because I want to retain the taste of the actual cake. Our yummy cake is ready. It looks beautiful. I hope you all like this version of the Tutti Frutti cake. Do prepare it for your loved ones. Thank you.